So I realized once I looked down at my computer that minutes were up, so my video had stopped on me. So I'm just going to take a few minutes in a video to just explain the assignment, and I'll just number the videos that you guys know the difference when you're watching them. So like I had said before, you're going to create your own ebook, and I'm expecting that you will have definitions for each poetic terms device we discussed, as well as some examples. I'm going to set this up slide, so don't worry about having set up your own book. I will do notes there. Each slide, like I mentioned, of the poetic or in your own word and examples of each term or so you can use multiple things for this. Material you have, if you know a song and you know the lyrics into those poetic devices, they could be used as examples, as examples as well. Also, you can look online for examples for as well. Please remember that you cannot use the same example I have in this PowerPoint. I expect you're going to come up with your own examples. And just a quick reminder to be mindful as well of spelling and punctuation as you go through and these slides. Like I said in review, if you're not sure if you've got all your spelling and punctuation correct, read it aloud to yourself or somebody at home before you submit or that you've double-checked work. So any questions, you can just message me in the classroom, shoot me an email, and I will stay Tuesday, and have a great long weekend.